Hi Tesla fans, it's Ellie with T-Sportline, and today I want to talk to you about this silver Model 3 that we have in the shop. Well, as you take a look at it, it looks completely stock, and you know what? For the most part, it is. We didn't do much to this car, but we did do an incredible interior transformation. Let me show you what was done. So this Model 3, like all Model 3s currently, come with a standard black vegan vinyl interior. It is very plain Jane. And while that might be okay for most of you, it really isn't for the majority. And we get calls all the time. People want to change it. They want a different color interior. And we have a program right now that lets you choose the color that you want. This particular car was customized with a red leather interior, kind of a dark gray stitching on the sides to tie in with the existing stitching that the Model 3 has. And then our Insignia insert in a light silverish gray suede to tie in with the headliner material as well as with the exterior color of the car. Also, we perforated the seat inserts so that you can go ahead and have a nicer texture visual, and also it's a little bit cooler because the material breathes a little bit more. One more thing that we did, we got rid of that wood dash. All Model 3s right now come with this very kind of raw, natural, wood-looking dash decor. And if you like it, then that's great. But if you want something sportier, we offer a matte carbon fiber dash finish that looks just like the way Tesla does it for the Model S and the Model X. That's all we did to this one, but it really is a nice transformation and sets this silver Model 3 apart from every other one that's out there. And of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel by clicking right over here so that you can go ahead and see a lot more of our projects that are coming in.